Good morning, guys. Today we're working on 2014 GMC Acadia. The vehicle, the customer complained the check engine light came on, and every time he say he filled up the tank of gas, the vehicle become hard to start. And then after that, if the engine start and run fine, nothing happened. Okay, let's confirm the customer complaints. The case, we just see the check engine light stay on or not. About the symptom of he fill up the gas and then hard to start, we cannot confirm right now. And let's see, run the code and see what we have here. Okay, right now the key on, start the engine. As you can see, the engine run right now and confirm the customer complaint. The check engine lights came on right there, as you can see. So now what I would like to do, we'll run the code and see what we have from here. Okay, now turn the engine off and then back on, the key on. Okay guys, I did run all the module reading, see what we have here. Engine control module, we have one for code 0496 Evaporative Emission system flow, there's a non-purge. Okay, and other than that, all the module, as you can see, normal, it good, no any problem on this vehicle. And so let's see what I would like to do here. Go for okay, I can read the code again, but you guys can see this. Okay, 0496. What I would like to do now, I will go to let's see what we have here. Evaporative emission system. I will tap to see. So what I would like to do, I will close the vent valve, let the system seal, and I will disconnect the per valve solenoid. That means I will create the fault code when the key on. You guys disconnect the solenoid electrical, it will make created the fault code. Okay, so that I choose the vent solenoid. Okay, let's see. Okay, I will choose some data here to see where the fuel tank pressure sensor, the one I'm looking for. Okay, right here you guys, you see the fuel tank pressure sensor here, fuel tank pressure sensor, and any I can able to choose the fuel trim, but I don't really need it. Okay, let me choose OK over here. Okay guys, right now the valve is not, that means it's venting right now. Okay, when the engine run, if you guys choose the not venting, that means the valve will close. And to see the fuel tank pressure sensor right now is 1.45 volt. When you guys run the engine with the personal node disconnected, if the voltage change, what that mean? That means the vapor always flow, the engine chuck the air inside the tank, and then the pressure will be changed on the fuel tank pressure sensor. Okay, let's go under the hood, and I will disconnect the per valve first, and then we run the engine and to see how the fuel tank pressure sensor respond. Okay, yeah, leave the scan tool right here, and then go under the hood. I will disconnect the per valve. I can leave the key on like this before. As you guys can see, every time you guys working in a car with the scan tool connected like this, don't check anything. You guys have to roll down the window at least one, okay? Because when you guys play with the scan tool, the vehicle automatic lock the doors, and then you guys got the problem, okay? Yes, this is the per valve, guys. To remove the per valve, you have the 10mm bolt inside here. We did unbolt and we can remove it. But in this case, what I would like to do, I will disconnect already connected. I don't let the computers activate the per valve anymore than I test for. That's why I need to disconnect the connector here. And as you guys see, we on the scan to see how the fuel tank pressure sensor responds. Okay guys, back inside the vehicle. As you can see, the scan tool still on here. It's ready for test the system. So as you can see right now, the engine is still up. Okay, and the fuel tank pressure sensor reading as 145 volt, 1.45 volt. Okay, and then let me start the engine, and you guys can see. Oh shit. Okay guys, I got a low battery right now. Let me jump start, see what's going on. Okay, I have a jump start connected to the battery right now, so I don't know, on this software it will after a lot connection like this. Some software, you know, it brings us just from beginning. Oh man, chuck. Okay, let me go back here. Go for this. This one will be faster. Man, let me use the systems less. The engine control mode. Man, are you serious? Oh, where here? Damn. Okay, let me read the 4 codes. Maybe we have more. Let's see. This one, the 4. 43 after we disconnect the per valve. Okay, anyway, don't worry about that. Okay, let me go to the function tag again, and the vent. Come on. Okay. Fuel tank. Yeah. Okay, guys. 1.45 volt. It's something like okay, before we start the engine with the jump starter, I have to, I use this guy for jump start. I have to activate until we hear the click. Okay, we got to go. So now, hopefully, okay, as you guys can see, I didn't activate the vent valve yet, but as you can see, the voltage already changed. Okay, let me not vent and see what's going on. Okay, as you can see, not venting, and then the voltage is up to 3 something volt, and now why drop? Because the software may allow you guys not venting in a few seconds. Okay, now it's back to 194, and let me right here, you guys can see on the scan tool it say not venting, but I try to not venting again to see. Yeah, see, up to 3 something volt, 4 volt. Okay, now the solenoid open again and the voltage drop. Okay, in this case, what I would like to do, remove the per valve and use the vacuum gun and to see this valve, this per valve may be stuck open. As you guys can see earlier, I tell you guys in the inside here we have a 10mm bolt. You unbolt this and you will make pull the per valve off. Okay guys, in some video I tell you guys every time you check for leaking the per valve. Right here I have the per valve removed, but the hose still connected here. I don't remove it right now because I don't need it. Like I say, every time you guys use the vacuum gun, right here I have the vacuum gun here guys, to check for the valve leaking. It's not really stuck open, but when it closed, it's dirty, something like that. It's not sealed properly, and then when the engine runs, the vacuum will shut the air from this side, okay, intake manifold side. If you guys disconnect the hose right here, disconnect the hose here, and then use the vacuum gun and shut the air by this way, it will be not right. Okay, you guys have to remove the per valve like this, and you guys see we have the arrow here tell you guys the way the airflow. Okay, you guys have to shut the air vacuum from here. Okay, but in this case I have this, seem to be smaller than the seal, the O-ring here. I have to find the adapter to put here. Make sure super seal on my tool hose connection, something like that. If the hose, the nest, or even on the tool itself leaking, you guys think the valve leaking, will be unlocked. Okay, no lock at all when you buy another one, but the old valve is still okay. When you guys have the tool leaking, the connection leaking, you guys think the valve leaking. Okay, let me find something to put here, and we will do the test to see how this valve can listen. Okay guys, don't get the wrong the answer. Like I say, we have to tap on the tool first. I have the whole adapter here, and I don't know it leak or not. Every time I use, you guys have to tap on the hose itself and on the tool itself. Okay, like I try to close by my finger here, and you can see, I don't know, it's easy for you guys to see. Yeah, you guys can see it leaking somewhere. Yeah, maybe from my hand touching this. See? Okay, anyway, test again. Okay, you guys can see the tool hold the pressure right now, hold the vacuum right now. That means I have this adapter is good. Okay, let's see. I want to put here. Hopefully it's sealed. And so now, see. Uh-oh. You guys can see this valve never hold the vacuum anymore. Okay. Why it looks so bad? Okay, I can use my mouth to see how it's blow the air. As you guys can hear in the video. As you guys can hear in the video, I use my mouth and blow from the tank side, and then go to the engine side with the valve on my hand, no any electrical hose connect to it. And then you can hear in the video by I jump in my finger here, you guys hear again. Okay. Oh man. Sorry about that. Okay, anyway. Okay, now we have the answer, guys. This valve already stuck open. The air freely move from the tank side to the engine side. Okay, anyway, guys, we have the answer here. This vehicle needs the new valve. Okay, that's it, guys. Quick tag. If you guys have the problem on same on your own vehicle, I don't mean any vehicle, the system the same. Keep in mind that, like I say, when you vacuum to test the valve, you should vac only this way on the intake manifold side. If you disconnect the hose here and you vac this way, you may get the wrong answer. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.